dito, boy?
Woo.
Hindi
No, in English.
Ay, okay.
Yeah, hello,
Yay!
our friends.
We're
Yeah.
here
We're
to the
here.
amazing place.
What? I mean, what to the here?
Boy,
What?
we're here.
Where? Boy.
This is a English challenge only.
Yeah, English only, ha? No Tagalog, no Spanyol, no. What? Kabayang bundat?
Boy, look at the waiting shed. This
Oh.
is we saw
We saw what?
abandoned
We saw.
waiting shed. I
Where?
think it's haunted.
Oh, haunted.
We're here in the forest.
Anyway, we have here
We're
pizza.
here in the forest.
Pizza.
We're here in the forest.
Mukbang. We're gonna make mukbang here.
I thought,
Inside the car.
I thought it's gonna be.
Atot like kantot.
I thought.
What? What? Ay, oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, oh, it's right. It's only. It's a rhyme. It's a rhyme.
I thought it's
It's a what? It's a what?
Going ang easy vlog, but I saw the paligid.
You saw the environment.
So
Yeah,
the
I saw-
Surroundings.
And there's a lot of
Plenty of what? Of trees, yeah. This is a forest.
This is a forest.
Guys.
What?
Look at the waiting shed.
Oh my goodness, look.
Look at the
Ay,
Look at my camera there. It's very far.
very dark.
We have a shot there. Shot.
look at the waiting shed.
Oh my goodness. Okay, let's eat. I'm hungry. Where's the...
That waiting shed
Is what?
is abandoned.
We know. We know.
Because
You-
no more people allowed in there.
Oh my goodness. Oh, here.
That's it.
We're gonna eat pizza.
This is Yellow Cab.
There's no more.
Yeah.
Shout out
To our-
M and Lintan.
Or Lintan, the one who sponsored our
Boy,
Why?
I'm scared.
No, what?
Really?
Really?
When we set up the camera, I'm scared.
Are you scared?
You open the door, right?
Yeah.
And
There's what?
there's
thing?
something.
There's
move
thing?
the door.
That?
I'm
We.
so scared.
It's very creepy.
My heart is so pumping.
Pumping?
Yeah.
Sally, is that you? Oh, I'll put some hot sauce, ha?
Pump it up.
To
My
to level our
Boy, my
food.
ear.
You hear what?
Ear.
It's ringing. Oh my goodness.
What is that?
It's busy. That is busy. You call that it's busy.
It's because
Here's some chili
we are in the
flakes.
highest place. Because
Oh
it's
my
forest.
God.
What?
Oh my God.
What?
This is a wrong camera. Wait.
Wait.
You continue.
As for now, we're gonna eat pizza. Here's one slice of
Gonna eat this.
what's that?
It's chicken in a Ronnie.
Oh my goodness. Now that's hot chicks.
Because
Look, I'm gonna eat right now. Wow. You know what?
sorry, I speak English. Not Tagalog. Sorry guys.
You know what? I miss Yellow Cab.
It's the English challenge.
After a few months,
English
almost
challenge.
4 months,
What's this?
haven't eaten this one.
What's this? What's this, man? What's this?
What's that?
What's this?
What's that?
What's this?
What's that?
And also this.
That's what you call hot chicks. And that's the Charlie Chan.
Hot chicks and Charlie Monkeys.
Charlie Chan.
Charlie Chan.
No.
Mal,
What?
are you shouting?
No.
Are you shouting?
No. Why?
Are you shout?
Are you shout?
He's shouting.
Huh?
Don't shout
You
out.
hear shout? What?
No, we don't shout out.
No. Later, I'm gonna make shout out. Okay. Shout out!
Oh yeah.
Shout out to Lintan! And shout out to Boss M! And Lovable Nikki! Yeah.
Yeah, it's you. You shout. I'm scared, man.
Mm.
Man, I'm so scared.
You men? Yeah, men.
I'm very scared. I'm at the back.
What kind of vlogger are you? You don't see the camera in the pizza.
No, I present it loco. Pizza.
You're gonna eat the pizza.
The chicken.
The chicken. This one is a pizza. It's a New York pizza.
Oh, New York's finest. No,
New York finest pizza.
New York's finest, okay?
New York finest pizza in the house.
Okay, children.
Okay, children.
Don't
Don't what? Don't try this at home.
Don't try this at home.
Yeah, don't try this at all. Our English is too bad, okay?
It's very, very bad.
Too good. Too good to be true.
My English is bad.
But my English is not good.
But
But what?
His face is bad too.
No, my face is very good.
My English is, I'm speechless.
This is Echo, Jericho. Jericho Echo.
Yeah. Jericho is my favorite art.
Yum. Look, it's yummy. You know what? After 4 months, I haven't eaten this one. This is my first time again.
Eat pizza?
Yeah.
Because-
Yellow cab.
Because you're so primitive.
No, I'm stupid.
No, you're so primitive.
Yeah,
You're
primitive.
so poor.
Wow.
I feel creepy.
You feel creepy?
I feel creepy at my place.
What?
I feel creepy at my place.
At your place? What's your place? First place, second place, third place?
Look at the waiting shed.
The place.
Yeah, we know the waiting shed. You dumb
Waiting
ass.
shed. It's so very...
Oh my goodness.
My-
Yellow cab is very good. So yummy. So what? Can I have a hot chicks?
I think
Ah,
the sexy one
hot chicks.
I think something
Move?
there.
What?
in the center, no?
No. There's no one there.
In the center,
Maybe you're
Is someone speaking?
No. You're hallucinating. It's just It's just flicker. It's like in your thought,
in your mind,
in your mind. No.
your hard mind.
Where's the chicken? Hot chicks?
That's it.
May I taste the hot chicks? Wow.
That's it.
Look at that, man. This is so spicy. They call it hot chicks. So hot.
Look at the waiting shed, man.
Wow.
Yeah.
It tastes good, man.
There's something in my side.
It's so dark outside.
Yeah, I know.
There's something
We
in
know,
my side.
stupid.
There's something in my side.
What side?
My right side.
What? What is your right side?
They tick-tack the...
They TikTok? What? TikTok?
It's so dark.
So dark, my God.
Kindly close.
Good na.
No, I can close it.
Please close.
No, close it.
No.
No, close.
This one I will open.
So you're scared.
Open you.
Don't open that.
Oh my goodness.
No, I opened that, so you're scared.
I'm scared.
You
so scared.
guys, you count the no and the yes of these two dumb ass, okay?
I'm scared. My
What?
my pubic hair is...
Oh my goodness,
Oh my God, your pubic hair?
Your pubic hair? Do you have pubic hair?
What's your pubic hair?
Is that your pubic?
I thought it's pubic hair.
No, that's not a pubic
Are
hair.
you a
What
sex?
you call that?
You look like sex organ because you have pubic hair.
What
What you
kind
call
of
that?
what kind of organ?
Oh, feminine organ.
Look at outside. It's so dark.
Bro, this is creepy, man.
Bro,
This
bro.
is creepy.
Hey, yo, bro.
What we are doing is so creepy.
Hey, bro, are you on drugs?
Look at the waiting shed.
I'm gonna close.
Mm.
What the close?
I imagine either someone in the
Is there someone?
in the window.
Window? Guys, look at the...
I imagine it.
Later, I'm gonna show you outside, okay?
Guys,
We're gonna walk outside and gonna
Outside
explore,
is so
okay?
very creepy.
guys, we're
It's a
going.
forest.
Guys, we're going back here and we're gonna speak Tagalog, okay? Because I
No.
can't express my feelings today.
Oh my God, are you in love?
It's hard.
Oh my God.
It's hard,
I'm so scared,
You're
but
so
I
hard.
can't express it
Oh my
to them.
God.
but you're hard.
Huh?
You're hard right now?
No, I'm not hard
Ah, okay, very
because
good.
I'm scared.
Ah, okay. Hard-headed.
Yeah.
You know what?
You know,
You know?
you talk
You-
talk loud, okay?
Okay.
Talk loud. Oh, this
Yeah.
one. Just
You.
Because of the mic.
Because of the mic.
Mic is very, very,
loud.
no, yeah.
You give me the
Oh, I throw it again. May I taste the, the
This one.
Charlie Chan?
Charlie Chan.
Wow.
I wanna taste that. I don't have taste that before.
Taste the Charlie Chan. It's
Give me
very
one.
good.
Give me one.
Give me one.
Give me one shot.
What the
One
hell?
shot.
What the fuck?
Oh, hey, look, I'm gonna eat this one.
So yummy.
I know you. This is your favorite ball
Yeah.
because you're social climber.
Yeah.
You can afford it.
I'm gonna give you.
You only eat it when you're
Wow.
when it's free.
Well, it's free? Oh my God. Tartar free.
So yummy.
Mm.
The local chicken is so yummy.
Yeah.
Hey, it's not ice cream, but it's yummy.
Yeah,
Yeah,
ice cream
it's
yummy.
What you call that again?
Oh, don't look
Don't,
at that.
huh? It's so creepy. Look at outside. Hmm? See up the ruins? Ruin, ano?
We need
Ruin
to come
waiting.
back here and speak Tagalog, okay?
Later we're gonna speak Tagalog. Ah! God damn it!
Mali, bato.
Mm-mm.
Mali. May palo,
I'm
boy.
sorry.
No, we're gonna hit everyone if you speak Tagalog, okay?
I'm sorry.
No speaking Tagalog, okay? This is the English version. The hardest part. Don't say Spanish, don't say Nipongo. Japanese, don't. What?
Hey,
What?
hey, don't
No,
Don't close it.
There?
close
There?
it.
There?
You
It's
open.
creepy.
No, we're eating.
No,
Sa-
open you.
Yum, look, it's, yeah, yum.
This one not open. Get it close. So creepy.
What is that? What's that chicken sound?
You hear that?
Yeah, I heard it.
So very,
Oh my
Very
goodness.
creepy, man.
very creepy.
Ooh,
Where's my other?
wow, sarap.
This one, mine.
Very yummy and very tasty. Charlie Chan, very tasty. Oh, we have mushrooms.
No.
Mushrooms from the Charlie Chan and some nuts with meat of chicken
I love
meat.
this.
Where's my phone?
Mm.
I need my phone.
That's the phone. God damn it.
No, the other phone.
Mm.
So yummy.
We're gonna pay because it's so scary here. Look at the mountain, man.
Mountain? Where?
It's so high.
Look at the.
Mountain so high. My goodness. Mm. Is that a song?
Look at the waiting shed.
Waiting shed. What?
Oh my God.
No.
The mountain is high.
You know what? Every 10 in the evening, there's no one driving here in our place.
That's why
This
we
is-
are the only.
We have this place had only 10 p.m. curfew. No one will pass
Oh!
by here. Oh, what?
Goose tube. I'm scared to that.
Hey, Ghost Tube, are you there?
I'm scared.
Are you here?
Are you here? Are you there? Are you everywhere?
Are you here?
I'm scared.
Mm.
Yeah.
Hurt
Hurt
me?
me.
Whoa, you hurt? Where? Where did you hurt you?
Scared.
Why you hurt? Are you hurt, broken?
Heartbroken. My goodness.
Heartbroken. My goodness.
Shut up. Yeah, look, let's eat. Ooh. Where's the hot chicks? Can I have
No.
Can I have one hot chicks? Huh?
One only.
Huh? You already ate all?
No, I eat one.
What? What
Eat
happened?
one.
What happened to the others?
Then 5 pieces only.
5 pieces only? You ate 4?
4. You eat 2.
You ate
You
3?
eat too much.
No. Very yummy. Very tasty. Hot chicks, oh. Look, hot chicks.
So delicious.
Very bad. No English, no
No
Tagalog.
Tagalog.
No Tagalog.
God damn it.
If you said Tagalog, I will hit you.
No, it's too very hard.
I carried away.
It's so delicious.
Yeah. You know what? This is my favorite, hot chicks. You know, when I took a hot chicks, I ate them all. Okay? Yeah, I ate. Yeah, hot chicks. Exactly. Oh, exactly. Kita mo?
Exactly.
See?
The
Oh.
ghost know.
Oh, what? Drink. You drink. Let's drink to that.
Drink.
Let's drink to
The
that.
ghost know you're a maniac.
Huh? The nose, no? The
Hey.
nose, no?
Hey, Boss Bino, the ghost knows
No.
us is a maniac.
Yeah.
Mm.
This guy is a maniac.
I'm throwing trash. Again.
Do that.
Don't do that, man.
No. This is biodegradable. This will decompose. Okay?
No, that's true. But you're gonna
Make litter? No.
rich crop.
No.
Don't drop it.
Where would I put it?
Drop it like that.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Can I have water?
This is
No,
my second
that's no
pizza.
water.
Give me one. Okay.
This is my second pizza.
Pizza? Pista? pista.
The
My
pizza
good.
is so lovable.
Hello, Ghost Tube, are you there?
Well,
Hello, Ghost, are you
Oh,
there?
Tube, are you there?
oh, very hard. Ow, my goodness.
We like it hard.
Oh, iwet, 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 iwet.
Water is good.
Ow, this is my water. You haven't paid it. 75.
God, you don't.
My goodness.
You said you gotta pay it.
No,
I-
we're quits because the pizza and the other food is so expensive.
Ah,
Very high.
you make what?
I'm fine.
You're fine.
Fine.
You have fine.
Yeah.
You're fine. I know you're
Yeah,
fine.
I'm fine, but I'm fine. I'm fine.
But
I'm
you're what?
extra dollar.
Extra dollar?
Yeah, I give extra dollar.
Oh, you give extra dollar to that? My goodness.
And I tip the.
You tip what?
The cashier.
What? Really? How much?
Also the guard.
Keep $10.
$10?
Yeah.
My goodness.
Also the guard.
You know you're so rich. $10? Oh, my goodness. Oh.
Because the guard say, oh, you're famous.
Oh, really?
So we gave some money.
Ah, okay. Okay, let's eat to that. Oh, I'm gonna eat the Charlie Chan. Okay, look at the Charlie Chan. Oh, yummy. Taste this one. Oh.
The yellow cup is so yummy.
Look. The ghost tune haven't said anything.
Be quiet, babe. Why is that?
Because we're going English. Hello, YouTube again. Are you there?
Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Hello. Good evening. Oi, water. They need water. I'll give.
Okay, water.
We're gonna give you water.
Here's the water. Here's the water. I'll drink it to you.
Okay, let's drink to that. Ow! My goodness.
That's called soup.
Soup?
Yeah.
Soup. Eh,
I like
this is soup drink.
I like the taste.
You like the taste of the Charlie Chan. This is the best selling in the
I don't
ano.
eat that before. I eat that today.
Oh, wow.
My English is so very
Whatever.
Behind you.
Who's behind me?
He said it behind you. Look,
Who's that? What's the name of behind me?
behind.
I have chicken pa.
Mm.
No, it's
What?
the waiting set is so very.
Oh, dead now. Dead.
Leave me dead.
Behind you is dead. Oh, are you recording? No,
Yes,
we're not recording this one.
No.
We're doing some vlog.
recording.
No, we're doing some vlog.
For vlogging.
Why your voice is like that?
Yeah. What happened to your boy?
Why are you boys like that?
What?
Bring it to me.
Bring it to me.
Angel?
Angel?
Bring it to me, Angel.
This is the yellow cab, not Angel's burger.
Not Angel's Pizza. This is yeah.
Angel's pizza.
That's Angel's Pizza, but it's Yellow Cab. The one in the intersection of Calamba.
Yeah.
Calamba.
Here in Angel Pizza.
Near in Angels. Yeah. There are rivals. Oh my goodness. Oh, sarap. You're very yummy.
The chicken is so delicious.
Yeah, the Charlie Chan. I like this one. Charlie Chan. Wow. No more. It's wiped. No left behind. No leftovers. My goodness.
I always look at the waiting shed because I'm so scared.
You're so scared.
I thought someone
Sitting
sitting there.
there. Oh, success. See? Success on our Charlie Chan.
Are you pooping?
Ah,
Are you pooping?
pooping.
This is success.
Oh my goodness.
Are you
No.
I know.
The reason why he said success because we ate all the Charlie Chan. Yummy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I understand.
You make you make yaya. No yaya. We don't have any maids or house servants. We're here.
Go eat
Go
some pizza.
go get some pizza. You how about you? You eat then. You eat too. Why? You eat.
Yeah.
Yeah. You only say yeah. No.
Because that's only my word.
Yeah.
No yaya here.
Yeah, we
There's
don't have we don't have housemaids.
There's yayo.
How many? We're three. Three.
We're three.
We're sharing three.
We're the three stooges.
No, three monkeyteers. Just like Sally says.
Monkeys.
Yeah.
Sally says we're the monkeyteers.
Yeah, Sally says.
Yeah, Sally. Huh?
Sally says.
Yeah, okay, very good. Sally says we're three mancoteers.
What?
Mancoteers. I don't know what.
Amy is so very cute.
Oh my
So
goodness.
dark, eh.
My goodness, we almost finished this one.
Almost.
We're almost done. My goodness. Wow. What? Oh. After this, where we going? We're going outside. Oh, short.
Oh,
This one is short.
I've been
Yes,
short.
Yeah, short.
My height is short.
but Bino short.
Yeah, he's 4'11".
My height is short.
Kevin,
Kevin.
Durant.
Durant?
Kevin is short?
can you feel me? No, I can feel. Leash.
No, I can feel you.
Leash.
Is so
You
very
know leash? What? That's a dog's leash.
Okay.
What's the
Kev,
leash?
so Kevin is a dog.
Yeah, Kevin is a dog with a leash.
Dog. Dog.
Yeah, what?
And
Engot?
You are your.
Oh, that's the Tagalog word.
The Tagalog. Why do you speak Tagalog?
You.
You sound stupid.
You bad.
Bad. That's bad. We're speaking in English.
Hey, ghost. No Tagalog, okay?
English.
So
only.
that all our subscribers here in America and other parts of the country may watch them, may watch us pala. Pray.
Pray.
Okay, we'll pray. We're gonna pray. In the name of the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Okay, let's eat. Okay. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Someone what? Someone watching? Looking?
Walking.
What? Pardon?
Oh,
What?
You repeat it.
No, pardon. No.
Pardon.
Oh, unfortunate. Pardon.
I said.
Maybe he's a
I
convict.
thought
Pardon.
there's something.
I'm so full, man.
I thought there's something walking around.
Walking around.
If there's walking around outside,
They're flip.
why we go outside?
Oh, to
Go
investigate.
outside.
To investigate the area. And to find out if there's really hunted there. They're there and everywhere.
If you don't eat the pizza, you're gonna live outside, okay? To be,
To be what?
So we abandon.
how you call
He
that?
told me what? He told you what?
We abandon you.
Slave.
Slave. Why?
The pizza, give the ghost. It's called slave, right?
A slave? No, in Tagalog. In Tagalog, alay.
Okay, what's the English of alay?
Offering.
Okay.
We're gonna give them an
We're gonna
offering.
give the offering outside, okay?
No, give it to Brownie.
Brownie, the dog.
Brownie will heat it up in a microwave, then eat it in the morning.
Ah, Brownie.
Yeah.
Brownie.
Me!
Brownie is the one.
Give it to the ghost, man.
No. Oh. Ghost doesn't eat, Brownie does.
You're gonna...
You are the brownie.
Yeah, I'm the Brownie.
You're gonna... The ghost gonna hunt you.
No. We talk too
Can't you
much.
see me? No, I don't see you because Bud's forehead is
Very shiny.
Very shiny. It's so
Oh,
bright.
it's so bright, like
This side so very.
shine like a diamond.
Hey, don't whisper.
Shine like a diamond.
Don't whisper. You're whispering
Oh.
your English.
Don't you whisper. You
he,
use modest, okay?
He swallow.
Oh, swallow. Don't come. You swallow. Don't come.
He swallow.
Don't come inside. Come outside.
He swallow his word.
Oh, don't.
Okay.
Swallow doesn't fit with your mouth.
What is
Swallow.
Is swallow? It's
It-
go outside.
No.
Go inside.
No, swallow. You got.
Oh!
Oh, you gonna.
Go outside is the spit.
Yeah, spit. Then
The
swallow.
swallow is...
Why?
You swallow,
Why
you make.
know a lot in that?
I always watch.
That's bad for the YouTube.
Oh, that bad.
Oh my
Sorry.
God.
My
Oh, I don't
goodness,
know.
Baliw. You're so
What?
pathetic.
Pathetic. Oh, stalker. I'm not a stalker. I'm a hitchhiker. Ah, see? Yeah, very good in English. What? Oh, maybe there's a stalker outside. Yeah, we're
Yeah,
scared.
we're scared.
No, yeah, we're very scared. Scared as hell. Pathetic. Oh, see, you're so
See
pathetic.
that pathetic?
Hmm?
I said that before.
Yeah, that's good. You English must do that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
That with
said
the
you're
ghost tube.
pathetic. The ghost tube said you're pathetic.
Yeah.
Is that true?
Empathetic. Oh, what? Are you done?
You just shut up. We're gonna go outside one by
Oh,
one.
okay.
I'll go
This
first,
one will
okay?
go. Boss Reno will go outside then investigate everything.
I'll go first.
Next one. Who will be the next?
Outside is so very creepy.
So very creepy, but I will go there.
But you will go there.
And I will talk to you in Tagalog because they not hear that.
My God, that's wrong in English. God damn it.
The rules is when you hear Tagalog, but you don't hear when I'm there.
Oh, Sean.
Shut the fat up, okay?
Sean. Hey, Sean.
Hey, Sean! Shine, shine like a diamond! Shine, shine like a diamond!
Oh my goodness, look at that.
Alam mo, pag nagsasalita ka,
What?
feeling ko may ibang nagsasalita, kanina ka pa.
Oh?
Oo, pag nandito sa labas, pasin yung
Oh,
mamaya.
you speak
Parang,
Tagalog.
parang may gumagaya sa'yo.
Talaga?
Oo, yeah.
Yeah. Simon says,
That's creepy.
unquestionably.
Give me the mic because your mouth is you're so loud. Give me the mic.
Give the mic here.
This
Yeah,
one,
yeah,
that one.
that's his mic, not mic.
The magnet inside.
there's a magnet.
Remove it. God damn it.
You're gonna dal there.
Yeah, God damn it.
You go outside and
Hindi,
you're inside.
hindi kasi masasapawang ko kasi siya. Oh, wala.
But they don't
Hindi.
don't hear you because
Oh.
all of their mic is
No, you speak Tagalog. Boss Rino is not here. He's there outside.
No, we speak English. We are in a vlog. So
Vlog?
that's why we do it.
What
Oh,
vlog?
Just talk.
Talk to what?
YouTube.
To YouTube?
Ghost
Okay.
Tube.
YouTube!
Are you in the outside or are you in the inside?
Inside of what?
Inside in the car or outside in the
Oh.
car?
Look at that stupid guy.
Look at that.
Look at that stupid guy. Oh, look. Okay daw, he's okay. Look at that.
Look, Basurino.
Look at that stupid guy.
Going to the
Making video, making fun of his video. He's so stupid. My goodness. A stupid boy exploring in
creepy.
in a waiting shed. Haha. Stupid.
Yeah.
What?
Nakabahan ako.
What? Oh, why? Wait.
Mga matanda sa lugar na to.
Don't speak Tagalog in English.
I'm outside the car. The rules is when you inside the car, I'm outside the car. Shut up, the fat up.
Okay. When you go outside, you speak Tagalog.
Okay. Very
And when you
good.
go inside, we only speak English.
Okay.
Okay, it's understandable.
Okay. We're still eating pizza. There's some leftovers
Okay.
here. But
Get lost.
there's some leftovers, 2 slices of pizza. Maybe we're gonna keep it or we're gonna take it home. And feed it to Brownie. Brownie is me. I'm gonna heat it up and eat it later or tomorrow morning. Okay? I have a microwave there or an oven. Just heat it up.
You're gonna heat it up.
Yeah,
and then
heat it up in
you're
just 2
eating
minutes. That's okay. Good, my
your-
man.
Your
What?
Your breakfast.
Yeah, it's my breakfast. You know what? I'm very hungry. When it comes to pizza, I love pizza.
You
Yeah,
love
yeah. Yeah, just like American. What's your
pizza.
favorite food?
You finish up.
Yeah, I'll finish this one. After that, you go outside, then explore, investigate everything. Why?
So creepy in outside.
You don't want? My goodness. This one is so afraid.
We go one by one.
No, after that you go.
Yeah, I go. We go one by one.
After that you go.
We don't go.
We don't go what?
Two of us.
Two of us?
So we go one by one.
Okay, but that's good. Sige. Okay.
That's very good to
Okay, that's good. This one I'm gonna make.
Finish that.
No, later. Later, alligator. Later, Brownie. I'm gonna put it this one. Oh, yeah? No?
Finish that.
Later, Brownie.
No, finish.
Later, I'm gonna put this one
Or I'm gonna
right there.
finish you, my man.
My goodness.
Boss Rino is going crazy.
Oh, my goodness.
He's
It's,
going crazy. He's exploring. You're done?
You're done? You're not done, you're Reno. You're stupid.
Natatakot ako, hindi ako sanay.
No, you're stupid. You're not done. You're Reno.
That is so creepy. Outside is very creepy.
Oh, this one. Bino, the small boy.
I'm gonna...
Go outside the other side, the other side, the other side, the other side. Okay?
Can I get your...
Number? What?
Your light?
Oh my God, you're gonna use my... gonna use the light.
So creepy.
Mm.
So creepy. This is the second time.
Takot ako dun sa ano, mga ano, natatakot ako dun sa
Saan? Saan?
mga puno.
Why are you speaking in Tagalog ka din?
Okay. Sorry, sorry. I'm sorry, I'm
Speak
sorry.
in English. My
Okay, I'm
goodness,
sorry, I'm
I'm still
sorry.
eating.
Hey, my God, I'm sorry.
I'm gonna throw this away later. After this, I'm done. I've just put the leftovers over there. After that, I'm gonna eat it. You're so afraid? My goodness. Why? Why are you? Later. I'm gonna go outside and throw this one.
No, huwag mo ito dyan.
Where?
Gagasan mo mga.
Okay, later we're gonna throw this
Ano ba,
outside.
kunin mo yung ano?
Yeah, leftovers there. Yeah. Leftovers are there.
Wala tama na, di natin na-explain eh. Tama na.
Later we're gonna eat.
Wala na naman si Boss Bila, ikakat na natin.
Oh my goodness, why? Oh my goodness, I'm very full of shit.
Hey, I'm gonna end this video because we're gonna explore one by one. So you can what's that?
What?
Watch,
Can what?
You can watch the explore of Balbalito to his channel.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye bye. I'm so nosebleed. Bye bye.
Bye-bye. He's gonna sign out. But me, I'm still on live. I'm recording my video and everything. After this one, I'm gonna go outside. Look at this one. My shit. Oh. We're still recording on 33 minutes until now. That stupid guy. Look at that. He's exploring just few meters, 5 meters away. Look at that. He's so stupid. Oh, look. They're over there. They're only. Oh my goodness. Van. Inside the van. Oh, I'm gonna go outside na. I'm gonna go outside. The other side. Opposite side. Opposite side ako pupunta.
May ilaw dito.
Dito lang. Hindi, dito lang. Dyan.
Kukuha ko dun ng para sa receive.
Ha? Ayan. Ay, to. Outside ako. What? Ano? Ayan. Oh. Ang dilim mo, very dark oh. Wow, my goodness, ang dilim. Ayan, tignan niyo yung mga tropa oh. Yeah, here's my flashlight. I have flashlight oh. Ayan oh, tignan niyo yung mga tropa oh. Wow. Gonna walk outside. Ayan po, naglalakad po kami dito sa lugar na to. Wow, grabe. Oh. Ang dilim, grabe. Oh my goodness, ayan po. Hanggang dito lang po kami. Sobrang dilim. Wow. Puno. Actually mga tropa, nandito po kami sa taas ng kabundukan ng Los Baños. Ayan po, ayan. Ayan po kami, naglalakad po kami. Papakita ko sa inyo, lalakad-lakad po ako konti. Para malayo po makita nyo. Ayan. Ayan po, ayan. Shit, malayo. Pero sa totoo lang po nakakatakot na. Grabe. Ayun po sila, ayun sila. Ayun yung waiting shed. Mga tropa, hanggang dito na lang tayo ha. Babalik na ako at natatakot na ako eh. Diyos ko. Ayan, mga tropa. Babalik ka tayo. Ayan ako, ito ako. Ayan, grabe. Nakakatakot na itsura. Paalam na tayo mga tropa. At sobrang tagal na nito. Nakakatakot talaga. Paalam.